Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Flourish. I'm back again to another video. So in today's video, I'm about to experience something that I haven't experienced before, and it is the train in Lagos State. So I'm there now. I'm going to go and join the train. So I'm going to take you guys along how it is. I've never been there before. Okay, one just landed. Is that where everybody's going on?
This one down now.
Okay. How? I'll be where? Yeah.
Okay, relax.
Okay, sir, sorry. Wow, this is very fine. She's coming. Someone is joining us. Alright. Wow. Okay, where can I sit? Can I sit anywhere? Okay, let me sit down there. Wow, this is the train.
Good dog. You're not taking it.
Wow, look at your bag, bro. Let me give you this. So yeah, guys, I've entered the train now, and it's so nice. Like, I didn't even know this existed in Lagos. I was just going to Trade Fair Market, and then I met some women that said that they are going to my tour, and the train will take you to my tour. And I was like, wow, I've never heard of this before. So of course I decided to join because I like to explore things. So I decided to just join them, and here we are. This is nice. So let's experience it. This is my card for the train and all of that. So it's moving. My goodness. My God, it's moving. Oh my goodness. The train is moving. The train is moving. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm wow. My goodness. I can't even look there. I'm scared. The train is moving. Look at people inside. Wow. I've never been in a train before. This is my first time. My goodness. Beautiful weather. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. But I'll have to stand up. I want to show you guys other views. Oh my God. Wow, this is nice. Let me show you guys the view outside. and it's quite. Oh, this place is lovely. Like it is nice. Like I didn't know this existed in Lagos. Like I didn't know. I'm glad that I actually took the train. Very nice. I didn't know it existed in Lagos. Yes. Okay, it wasn't long. When? September. Wow. Wow. So they said it is actually new. We were just commissioned in September. So yeah, I'm glad that I did. Like, look at the view outside. It's so beautiful. Let me show you guys the view. It's giving me a broad vibe. I'm so excited. So I want to show you guys the whole of the train. It's really, really big. Can you see this side and this side? Like it's further down inside that place. Like it's really nice. Like this is my first train experience and I love it. Like I've never been on a train before. This is my first time and I'm so happy that I had to do this. Like my goodness. So this train you can get this train at CMS. That's where you can get this train at CMS. That's because so I stopped at CMS and then I didn't even know the way, but you can get it at CMS. So if you get to CMS and you're going to my tool, then you can ask them that where is the train station. They're going to show you where it is. Because we were late, we were rushing to meet up the train. I wasn't able to like show everything. Okay, so but that's how you can reach the train. Just get to CMS and then you follow the train station. Okay, so it'll take you to my tool. It'll take you to my tool. It'll take you to my tool. Here, these are my friends. These are my friends. These are the people I followed. Oh my goodness. So yeah, oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Kick.
I have alighted and trust me, the train was so smooth. Like I enjoyed it, honestly. Like so we are actually I'm going to where I will take my bus now. supposed to tap out with this carry card. Okay, you want to recharge? Where do I place it here?
No, let that pass because of family. You can use that one.
Okay.
Tap your card here.
So me, I'll tap here. On top.
Tap here, then you have to come in with this one.
Where do I enter?
Yeah, then you come through this place.
Okay.
Not here.
Okay.
You don't leave it there.
And
I'm sure I have time.
can I take it back to that place? To see everything?
Yes, now.
Yeah, let me load now. I can take it back to see
Of
everything.
course, from here, you enter.
This is where you load your card. So I'm here to load my card now. Big boy. Okay, we'll now descend and get another bus.
That's at the foot of the bridge.
Okay. So I'm going to trade fair. So I should take to trade fair. Okay. Direct. Hi guys, so I'm back to this train again. So I just came out from the market and I joined the train back, like, because I love the experience. So right now I've got things I need to buy and I'm going back. And yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys on my first train experience. This is my first train experience. I've never been on a train ever in my life, but this is the first time and I love it. I'm glad that I'm actually opportune to experience this. So yeah, so I just wanted to just update you guys and thank you guys for coming along with me to my first train experience. Okay, so yeah, so if you want to be able to join the train, first of all, the train you can take the train from CMS. So I took the train from CMS going to my 2 market, going to my 2 to stop at my 2. So yeah, you can take the train from my 2 or from CMS. Okay, and then you have to get this card. Well, you first of all get to their train station and then they sell this card for 500. Then you can top it up with any amount, 1,000 and all of that. And then the fare is actually 750 from CMS to my 2, and then from my 2 to CMS is also 750. So yeah, so it's very affordable and it's fast. So yeah, so you have to get this card. It's just 500 to get it. Then you can top it as much as you want. So for me, I just topped it with 2,000 naira because of going and coming. I don't always come to this ads often, so subsequently, if I keep coming, this is what I'm going to be using the train because it's very smooth and I love it. So yeah, so I just said let me just update you guys and carry you guys along with me on my first train experience in Lagos, Nigeria. In Lagos, hey God. I've always wanted to join the train from Ibadan, but it's only when I'm traveling to Ibadan. Last time I traveled to Ibadan, I couldn't go with the train because of the time. So, but I'm glad I'm opportune to join this one. So yeah, and the coaches is like 4 coaches in one, and it's very neat, and I just love everything about it. Like, can you just look at it? It's giving me the abroad vibe. I'm feeling like I'm in abroad in Nigeria. So yeah, so that's just it. So that's what I came to tell you guys. So thank you guys for following me on my first train experience. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.